Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making clarified butter. By removing the milk solids, you end up with butter that can be used at a higher temp and is less likely to burn. First, you'll need some unsalted butter. The amount isn't that important, you can use as much or as little as you like. Slice into smaller pieces. This will help the butter melt quicker. Place in a saucepan over low heat. Slowly let the butter melt until it only just starts to bubble. You can see how it's already separated. Remove from the heat. Using a skimmer or paper towel, remove the foam from the top of the butter. Let it sit for 5 minutes so the milk solids have time to fully sink to the bottom. Next, pour the top layer into a jar. This is our clarified butter. Once the top layer is gone, stop because we don't want to mix any of those milk solids back into the butter. Place in the fridge and let it cool and harden. There you have it, clarified butter. The wonderful thing about clarified butter is you still get all that beautiful flavor, but it has a lot higher burning point. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.